Hi, welcome back to my channel. This time I will share about how easy to play guitar chords. Actually, the easiest way to play guitar is playing songs or pattern. And this time I will bring you the 12-bar blues progression, an easy way to play guitar. In the chords, the root is A. It only needs 2 fingers on your left hand and 2 fingers on the right hand for the basic. So the first on the root is A. We have A7 chord, this one, and the next chord is D7 sus2. Sounds like this. It's only need 2 fingers. And the next one is E7. So the first is A7. It's on the index finger. You put your finger on the fourth string, 2nd fret, and the middle finger is on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. The next is D. You have the root and middle finger on the 3rd strings on the 2nd fret, and index finger on the 1st fret, 2nd string. The rest is open. And the last one is E7. You put your index finger to the 1st fret and the 3rd strings, then the middle finger on the 5th strings, 2nd fret. Sounds like this. It's only need 2 fingers. Then on the right hand, you only do thumb and index finger, like this one. That's all we need for the first. So 12-bar blues is A on the root, and the second chord is D, and the next chord is E. As you can see, the blues bar is like the root, the A, for 4 beats. The 4th chord, the D7 sus2, is for 4 beats, and then A back to A7 for 8 beats. That's the first 4 bar. Then next is D7 sus for 8 beats, then A7 for the 8 beats. Then the last one is E7 for 4 beats, D7 sus2 for 4 beats, then A7 4 beats, then back to E7 for 4 beats. Let's play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can repeat this kind of progression as many times you like until you feel comfortable with your fingers. Let's try one more. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure that you practice this enough, then you can add more fingers. Just gradually get more fingers involved. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can add more fingers on the right hand too, like doing with 4 fingers, thumb, index, middle, and ring finger. You can try another beat too to add some flavor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.